Okay, so here I am back with another video. So in this video, I want to talk about a common mistake that I see creators, or I'll say writers, they fall into, and that is like acting like a pro in reality, which they are absolutely not, right? I did it by myself in the past, right? When I started, I tried to, look like a pro, which I was really not. And trust me, from my experience, I can say this is not something that is recommended. I mean, I did it and I regret it. Take an example, right? Me, I have been writing online for last 4 years, right? This is 2025. I started from 2021, right? I started with Medium. Now, if I see someone on my timeline who's like faking it, right, I can immediately tell, right, that that dude is a scammer. Okay, instead of saying he is a scammer, I'll say like this guy is, faking it, trying to look like a pro, but in reality they are not. So what will happen is like if they ever come to me and they want to talk to me, or they want like genuine advices from me, trust me, I will never ever will want to talk to them. Why? It's because I know that guy is faking it, and who really want to talk with someone who's like, you know, playing a role or playing a character online, right? So that really destroys your impression. So if you ever go to someone who's like big and act like a pro in front of them, but in reality, because of their experience, the type of word you'll be using and the type of gestures you'll be giving, he or she, like the creator, the big creator, they can immediately tell if, whether you are faking it or not, right? So don't do that. Trust me, it will never ever work out, and it is not something worth it. So what you should be doing is, instead of acting like a pro, be what you actually are. If you are a beginner, if you are a noob, act like one. No one has any problem with a beginner. We all start something, like we all start from zero, right? We all start from zero. When I started in 2021, I was also zero. I was also a noob. I was also a beginner. But how I turned into, I'll not call myself a pro, but how I turned into someone who I am right now by practicing my craft daily, like every single day, right? Every single day I practice my craft, and then eventually I got better at it. So that is something what you should be doing, right? Do it this way, right? Instead of like faking your personality and your work experience, do it this way. Pick your craft, right? Go on a platform, pick YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, whatever platform you are comfortable with. Pick that platform, start posting content around your craft, right? For example, if you're learning copywriting, create content around that. If you like post some really bullshit, and even if people like make fun of you, right, instead of taking that as a as something to be ashamed of, take it as a lesson. Because what will happen if you fuck things up, right? You will know like these are the something these are the mistakes that I won't be doing. And trust me, I'm genuinely saying, even you fuck things up, there will be people who will be, will genuinely try to help you out. So what will happen is like, if they see your craft and they see you made a big mistake, they will come to you and say, bro, you made this mistake XYZ, and they will genuinely try to help you out. And yeah, this type of people, they do exist, right? So instead of faking your personality or your work experience, go fail in public, learn your lesson, ask for help from people who are much more experienced than you, right? And if you act like a beginner, and if you act like a noob and you go to them and ask for genuine help, they'll be more than happy to help you out, right? It's that simple. So don't act smart, be okay with looking a fool, right? Because we all start there. Even the like smartest copywriters, even the smartest creator, they also started there. So be okay with it. Pick a platform, post your content around the craft you are practicing, fail in public, learn your lesson and get better with it, right? Give it some time, be patient, be consistent, and if you will definitely see the results, right? Because that is how we eventually learn our stuff. I also did the same way, nothing new. And so yeah, I mean, that is it for the video. I hope it helped. If it helped, I would really appreciate if you share it with your friends or someone who really needs to see this, right? And if you like my video, I would appreciate a subscribe and a like also. And yeah, that is it for this video. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.